discovering the Marquesas Islands, your ultimate travel guide. Welcome to the Marquesas Islands, a collection of volcanic islands nestled in the heart of the Pacific Ocean. These islands offer a unique blend of magnificent scenery, pristine oceans, and rich cultural legacy. The Marquesas Islands are one of the world's most remote landmasses, located about 1,000 kilometers northeast of Tahiti. Despite their isolation, they have a rich and distinctive cultural legacy, thanks to the indigenous Marquesan people who have lived here for thousands of years. Today, they are a popular vacation spot, offering a glimpse into ancient Polynesian culture, breathtaking scenery, and an abundance of wildlife. To reach the Marquesas Islands, you can fly from Papeete, the capital of French Polynesia. The largest island, Nuku Hiva, is served by several flights each week. From there, you can fly or take a ferry to other islands in the archipelago. Remember to plan your route in advance and reserve your transportation accordingly. The Marquesas Islands offer a range of accommodations, from cozy guest houses to opulent resorts. Whether you're looking for a hotel close to hiking trails or a serene guest house on a smaller island, there's something for everyone. Just remember to book in advance, especially during the busiest travel season. There's plenty to do in the Marquesas Islands. Discover ancient petroglyphs, hike through stunning landscapes, swim and snorkel in crystal-clear waters, visit the breathtaking Bay of Taiohae, or meet the locals in traditional villages. Each activity offers a unique way to immerse yourself in the rich culture and natural beauty of the islands. The Marquesas Islands offer a unique and unforgettable vacation experience. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, a trip to these islands is sure to be a memorable one. So why wait? Start planning your trip to the Marquesas Islands today. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.